Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you today? Introduce myself. My name is Tiara Fatika Sari. You can call me Ara. To fulfill the final project, follow for the English course. I will bring the material which is the title of the quantum physics paper. Okay then, lingering, let's just get started. Quantum physics is a field of physics that covers every subject concerned with systems exhibiting well-known quantum mechanical effects. Quantum mechanics is very important to study to understand how individual atoms form covalent bonds to form molecules. The application of quantum mechanics to chemistry is known as quantum chemistry. Quantum mechanics can also provide a quantitative description of ionic and covalent processes by explicitly showing which molecules affect each other's energy and the level of energy involved. Furthermore, most of the calculations performed in modern computational chemistry rely on quantum mechanics. In many aspects, modern technology operates on a scale where quantum effects are insignificant. Important applications of quantum theory include quantum chemistry, quantum optics, quantum computers, superconducting magnets, like emitters, bits, optical amplifiers and lasers, transistors and semiconductors, such as microprocessors, medical imaging such as magnetic resonance imaging and electron microscopy. The explanation for many biological and physical phenomena is rooted in the noxious chemical bonds, particularly in the macromolecule DNA. Many modern electronic devices are developed using quantum mechanics. Examples include lasers, transistors, and thus microscopic. Many devices operate under the influence of quantum tunneling. It's even in a simple like switch. The switch will not work if the electrons cannot tunnel through the quantum through the oxidation layer on the metal contact surface. Flash memory chips found in USB devices use quantum tunnelers to receive memory cells. Some negative differential resistance devices also take advantage of the quantum tunneling effect, such as the resonance tunneling diode. Unlike classical diodes, the current is carried by resonance tunneling through two potential resistors. See right figure. Its negative resonance behavior can only be due to the observed facts. If a bit in superposition state were to be observed, the superposition state would compress into an Eigen state. Since the intended recipient is reveals the bits is an superposition state, the intended will know there was an attack because the bit states are no longer in a superposition. Its negative resistance behavior can only be understood by quantum mechanics. As the finite states move closer to the Fermi level, the tunnel currents increase. As it moves away, the currents decrease. Quantum mechanics need to be understood and designed like electronic devices. Cryptograph researchers are looking for robots to develop manipulate quantum states. Efforts are underway to further develop quantum cryptography, which theoretically allows transmission of information. The inherent stage of quantum cryptography when compared to classical cryptography is passive destination. Quantum computing. Another goal is the development of quantum computers, which are expected to perform certain computational tasks exponentially faster than classical computers. Instead of using classical bits, quantum computers use qubits, which can be in a superposition of state. Quantum programmers are able to manipulate the superposition of qubits to solve problems that classical computing cannot officially perform, such as searching unsorted database or factorizing. IBM claims that the advent to quantum computing could advance the field of medicine, logistics, financial services, artificial intelligence, and cloud security. Another active research topic is quantum teleportation, with technology for transmitting quantum information over varying distance. It's my material, more or less. I apologize. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.